morning. This is Izzah. Can I speak to customer service?
Hi and good morning too. This is Rina speaking. How can I help you?
I would like to complain about ceiling fan that I bought here last month. The fan seems to have a serious problem.
I'm deeply sorry this has happened to you. It's not the experience we wish to create for any of our customers. So, what is the problem?
The problem is the fan makes some noise when operating. Too much sound when opened at a high speed. It made me feel scared to turn it on. Besides, the fan had a very low speed level. I opened the highest speed but still slow, which is the fan works on only one speed when turned on.
Now I'm trying to understand for you. The first problem is noisy ceiling fans. The reason is another sign of a loose connection in either your fan's fixture or box. This loose spark will clang together when the fans rotate, creating a loud sound. So, another problem is fan speed. The reason for this is if your motor overheating or a falling capacitor, both of which can cause your fans to operate on one speed only.
If like that, I will try to look more closely in relation to the way the installation has been done.
My boss has given permission to give you a new fence. The worker will send it as soon as possible.
Thank you for the good service. I really appreciate all the effort you put into me in the relation to my broke fan.
Thank you for bringing it to our attention too. If there are anything else I can help you with, you can contact us again.
Alright, and thank you again.
Over 1 month later.
Good morning, I am Rina, who is Customer Service Officer for Electronic Enterprise. I would like to talk with Miss Izzah.
Good morning too. I'm Izzah. What made you call me this morning, Miss Rina?
I would like to ask you some feedback about our product that you buy from our store last month.
Oh, feedback. Sure, I will give the sincerely feedback about the ceiling fan that I've got last month.
How is your ceiling fan? Any problem with it, or are they still make some noise sound?
Actually, my ceiling fan is doing good and not show any damage. There is no more noise sounds, and the speed control has been good and fast too. I'm very satisfied with it. In fact, I just talked to my family's members to buy a new table lamp from the store because I saw the one that I really liked that day.
Thank you for telling us. I hope you will use our product and enjoy your day.
Welcome and have a nice day too.